Not normally the sort of thing we would go and see, but very, very impressed. One for everyone.
Brilliant. Definitely want to come again.
Dwi wedi bod heno I weld Les Mis, oedd o'n arbennig, oedd o werth I weld a oedd Jean Valjean, John Wayne Jones yn anhygoel, arbennig iawn.
I highly recommend it. It's really, really good.
Beautiful singing, lovely tunes, fantastic workshop, the scenery was amazing. Ardderchog, hard iawn.
I've been to see the Misérables tonight and I thought it was absolutely fantastic, even better than the London show. It was.
Just been to see Les Mis and it was absolutely fantastic.
Brilliant.
Yay!
Yay!